This is a traditional dream factory. In just 3 years, we built a prototype for a thriving regenerative village. From planting 3,000 trees to cultivating a vibrant food forest, from establishing an industrial kitchen that brings farm-fresh veggies straight to our plates, and to constructing a state-of-the-art helipide system that's treating all of the grey waters from our showers in our kitchen and sends it to our reforestation project. And with glamping tents, able to host 50 people, we have laid the foundation for a regenerative future, blending nature and community. But we need your support. With a collective strength of just 300 supporters contributing 10 euros per month, we can reopen 2024 for the next iteration of TDF.
Why does TDF exist? Over the last century, real estate development and modern farming practices have limited our capacity to inhabit the planet. TDF is here to create a positive impact for a regenerative way of life.
We're creating thriving human habitats that restore local ecosystems. We're using digital tools and emerging technology to create a resilient and thriving economy. So what is TDF? TDF is a blueprint for creating a climate-resilient, regenerative village. TDF is a community of doers and dreamers, makers of tomorrow, entrepreneurs, creators, crypto nerds, artists, regenerators, farmers, engineers, creating a regenerative future. Join us, become a subscriber, and get access to weekly educational material where we teach you all of the things that we have learned from 3 years of building this prototype.
Where do we stand with TDF today? TDF has been experimenting for 3 years on how to operate a thriving co-living space, creating a regenerative farm that produces food for people who reinvest that energy into our initiatives. We have planted a food forest, built our industrial kitchen, created a co-working space for 25 people, built our own grey water filter system, hosted more than 2,000 visitors and 30 events, created transparent and decentralized governance alternatives. We've also built a sauna, a treehouse, solar system, and a cinema.
The past 3 years are just the beginning. We have fully approved architectural plans to develop a co-living space that includes 14 suites, 4 studios, a house, a makerspace, an industrial kitchen, a biomorphic co-working garden, a wellness area, and a natural pool. We have close ties with the local authorities who are fully supportive of our project. The co-living is part of a 25-hectare property for which we already have plans to develop a water retention landscapes with 2 lakes to create the water sovereignty that we need for the future. We have plans to create an orchard with 10,000 fruit trees that will produce around 200,000 euros revenue. We have 10,000 square meters urbanizable on our expansion lands to build a co-housing development, part of the town of Abella.
By joining us on this journey and subscribing as a wanderer, you will get weekly educational material on how we're building TDF, a free copy of the book How to Build a Regenerative Village, priority access to our co-living facilities and events, access to community and our expansive network of regenerators.
We need 300 supporters contributing 10 euros per month to help us build this dream into a reality and to help us continue prototyping this regenerative way of life.